How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, on the Google Photos application on your device and simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Select on the photo settings option. Here you can see the option of backup. So let's tap on backup and toggle off the option of backup over here. Now as you do that, you can launch any of the browser on your device. I'm going for Google Chrome, and as you launch the Google Chrome application, you can simply tap on the search bar and search for photos.google.com. So let's search for it and tap on photos.google.com over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see different pictures. So simply what you need to do is select any of the pictures over here. So I'm gonna delete a particular video over here. So let's just put on the desktop site for now, and let's just scroll down and let's see if we can click or delete any pictures. So let me just select one of the pictures over here, and you can simply tap on the delete icon. So you can simply select on the delete icon at the top of the screen, and that's how you'll be able to remove the picture and still not get it deleted from your phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.